Hello everybody, this is Jack Stiles here from Option Fair. Sitting with me is Ihab Big Mac Hilmy.
Hi Jack, hi traders.
Very good to be enthusiastic on this NFP Friday. Today we're going to trade the NFP. What we're going to do is we're going to work off of two screens here. I think we got both of them showing, yes we do. Now I know a lot of you don't have two screens, so tabs will work, but in order to show you guys exactly what we're doing, I prefer to work off of two screens, okay? You can see here on the left side, I've got my economic calendar. This is very important. Now, we're not going to watch the economic calendar when the event happens. What we are going to do is we're going to flip back to the economic calendar after the event happens, okay? What we're going to be watching is our charts, which we'll have those set up in a second. On the right-hand screen here, we have the platform. Okay, I think you're all familiar with our platform here. Up at the top here, we have the Trade tab and the Forex tab. Today, we are going to be trading both binary options and Forex together as one, though a lot of our focus will be on the Forex. Additionally, I have my chart. I'm going to go back to my right screen here. Here is the chart. We can see what's going on as it happens right now. Okay. Little volatility happening. We can look at the volatility by adding some Bollinger Bands and seeing how volatile the market really is getting. And if you look over here at the end here, the bands got a lot wider. Okay, it looks like everybody's ready to get their trade on.
Yeah, sure. Such a day.
Such a day.
Yeah.
All right.
Non-farm payrolls. Well, dear traders, I'm having a report here about the non-farm payrolls today, which is the main thing we are talking about. Actually, I'm talking about the U.S. employment report, and I got some points for you here before we get trading. I'm going to mention that in consensus accepts a slowing in job creation to 230,000 in January from 252,000 in December, while the unemployment rate unchanged at 5.6%. Well, there's an evidence pointed to another 250,000 new jobs, but in balance we look for more modest 220,000 new non-farm payrolls. Here is why. Well, Jack, the ADP estimates private sector's job growth of 213,000 in January, a 5-month low. To this, we're gonna add the public jobs, which averaged 10,000 jobs per month in Q4 in 2014. Even worse, if we look at the ISM manufacturing reports in employment components, it declined to 51.6, the lowest in a year, while the same components for the manufacturing dropped to 54.1 from 56. Well, these are among those predictors pointing that the relatively weak for a job growth in January. The non-manufacturing index, though, in particular, suggests that only 156,000 jobs were added last month. Okay, now let's go to the positive things today. That's what we are talking about. On the positive side, the initial jobless claims remains very strong, averaging 292,715 in January, more or less unchanged from December. And in addition, a continuing jobless claim declined, suggesting further downward pressure on the unemployment rate. Okay, and now for more good news, Jack, we can find the confidence board consumer confidence report. The headline confidence index jumped to 102.9 in January, the highest since August 2007. It's like 8 years, and the labor difference climbed to a minus 5.2 from minus 10.1. It's the best in 7 years. These two predictors point to the job growth of close to 300,000.
So you think it's going to be 300,000 on this number? What's the forecast?
My forecast is between 260 and 280,000. Maybe it will not jump to 300, but it will be positive. All the the negative things we mentioned before. But we have 2 points, two very positive points that I predict that it will be great for non-farm payrolls today.
Okay, that sounds great. Well, that means we can make some money today.
Yes, for sure.
All right. Now, would you think, now typically when we're trading, okay, we do not want to open, hold on one second here, guys. Lost something there. Typically when we're trading, we don't really want to open trades before the event hits.
That's for sure.
Okay, now in binary options, you try to trade the retrace. Okay, but with a number, if it comes out 300,000 against the 225 projected, I don't think there will be a retrace, as we experienced that last summer.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So we ought to be very cautious about that. But what we might want to do now is open a trade or two. We're going to go over to the platform here.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to go. We're going to put some trades on. Okay. We're going to start with a $1,000 trade.
Sell.
A sell trade. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if it's Euro USD,
yes. So
okay, and the news is positive,
yeah.
Okay, the dollar is going to get stronger.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a sell.
So let's sell it. Yeah.
You sure?
That's for sure.
All right. Excellent. Let's open the trade. Oh, price change. I know we all hate it. Okay.
That's it.
There we go. We got one trade going on as a sell trade. Okay. Now we could do some risky trading here, and I think we are going to do some risky trading here because this is damn fun. And we're playing with somebody else's money.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do some Euro USD low. Put some trades on here. 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine for me.
All right. You sure?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Now the expire time, if you notice, is at 15:33 on our platform. We're at 15:27 right now. Okay. So the event happens at 13:30, where we're 2 hours ahead GMT. So we're going to get some, we got a little negative here. What you're seeing right now, if everybody notices that there's a big spike going upward.
Market players now.
Yeah, okay. This is called market manipulation. Okay, you've got people that are trading not millions but billions of dollars and getting set up for the NFP. Okay, and they're dumping money in both directions. If you're trading $1 billion, what's a couple $100 million? To pull in experienced traders to drop their investment early. Okay, let me open that chart again. I apologize for that, guys. To pull in we'll see it here. Look at that. Okay, so they're pushing the spike upward because if you've done your analysis correctly, which we have, which Big Mac here has done, okay, we are pretty positive it's going to be a positive report for Euro USD. Now, one of the things I forgot to do, and we're going to go back to the Forex platform here, is I do not want to be capped out at, first off, I don't want to be stopped out, so I'm going to change my stop out limit and give myself a little bit more room. Okay, to minus 2,000. Okay, that's going to get me up to 1.1511. Okay, and I'm going to open my take profit here to $10,000. Okay, not that the price is going to hit 1.1168, but I want to give myself the opportunity to earn more.
Yeah.
Okay, then 100%. We can even earn 200, 300% on this one trade here. Okay, and don't get me wrong, we're going to be placing more trades as we go along. And let's go back to the charts. Okay, now eyes on the chart. We've got less than 30 seconds for the NFP to hit. Okay, eyes on the chart. We're not going to look at the calendar until after the number is released just to know how powerful that number was, whether or not we'll see a retrace. Okay, what we're going to look at here is to make sure, well, we're going to see exactly what happens as the chart hits. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Wow.
Now we're going to see the report. Is it done already?
No,
we
that's
just... It's 5 minutes, yeah? We're still 5 minutes?
Oh, here we go. Well, hold on a second there. Look at that. Oh, look at that profit level.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what's up with my chart here. There it goes. There it goes.
Yeah, it's wow.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
good.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Traders.
Look at that. Let's look at the number. Now we're going to go back to the calendar. 267,000. That was a good call. It wasn't 300,000. That's pretty good.
I guess 260, 280. That's what I predicted, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
All right, let's go back to the chart here.
We have 4,000 already profit.
2,000 profit.
In the forex.
I think we can let that run for a little while.
Yeah, no, why not? Why not?
No, we're 2,000 net profit if you look here on the forex. Okay.
2,000.
If we close it right now, we're up at 2,000.
2,000.
Okay, but we can let that ride.
Pretty good.
Now, one of the things I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up another
Look
trade.
at that.
Okay, we're going to open up a longer term trade here on the retrace. Let's wait for that retrace to come along. Let's see if it does a retrace. We're into the second candlestick here after the event. And again, it's pushing lower.
Wow.
That's incredible. But you know what I'm going to do? I don't know. Let's wait for the retrace. Let's see if there is a retrace. The number is strong, but I don't know if it's strong enough not to have a retrace.
Maybe it will be a retrace, but it will be that big retrace that we are expecting to, because the numbers are.
But I can pretty much guarantee that we definitely walked away with cash on that binary options trade. That's for sure.
Yeah. So we can make now a binary like a hedging or something.
What are we hedging? Tell me, what would you do?
We can go for the Euro USD for low.
Low?
And
what's the expire time on that?
5 minutes, for 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes from now.
Okay, let's go. That's right where it's at. 1,000?
100,000.
All right, let's go.
And
you think it's going to keep pushing down?
On the other hand, we can now take another position for the doubled in money.
To go for the high? For the high?
For the high, yeah. So if we,
Well, you want to martingale this?
Yeah.
I like to call that Rochambeau.
Why not?
Do you ever watch South Park?
Yeah.
Okay. For sure. First I'll kick you in the balls as hard as I can, and then you kick me in the balls. Yeah. We call that the Rochambeau, otherwise known as the martingale.
Wow.
I don't think we're going to come out on top of that trade. You really think we're going to come out on top of that trade? The price changed.
The price changed.
Oh, that's $250. Watch your numbers, watch your zeros, watch your P's and Q's.
Go wild. Why not? It's a non-farm payroll day.
Right? All right, let's see how we're doing on our Forex trade here. $3,000 profit and going, yeah.
Boy, that's a pretty good.
That's pretty good. Should we close that trade? I think we should walk away with 3,000.
3,000.
3,000 profit on a $1,000 invest.
Pretty good.
Euro. That's pretty awesome.
Let us see the other.
Do you want to open up hedges?
Maybe. Why not?
All right. So we're gonna do.
But we need to open it for
long. This is longer. Yeah.
For a long.
Well, no, this is on the Forex platform. There is no time.
No, in the binary. All
right. I'm gonna open a hedge here. 1,000 in both directions. Oh, come on. Just keep in mind when we get that price change, it's that price is moving really fast. The platform's really trying to protect you, okay, from getting into a trade that you don't want to be in. Let's go back to the chart here. See, look, now we're starting to see it slow down, okay, and we could be seeing what's going to start as a little bit of a retrace. Look, there we go. We got the green candlestick.
Yeah.
Okay. This is where I like to flip over to the short-term platform.
Yeah, for 60 seconds.
Okay, 60-second trades. On gold. No, I'm kidding. Okay, we'll do some quick 60-second trades for a high invest. Catch that retrace. Oh, give me that pricing there. All right, let's do another one here. Now, I don't know how many of you are trading with us. It says here you can ask questions. I don't know if anybody has any questions. Let's check. No questions. Okay, we got a lot of viewers here today. We really appreciate it. We want to welcome you and let you know that this was sponsored by Option Fair, the greatest trading platform in the world.
Yeah, so if anyone has questions, that's the time. Place your orders and let us know.
Oh, we lost that one too.
That's because the price changing. That's okay.
Yeah. Come on, get me in this trade. Okay. This is not going to give me this trade. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the charts here.
We had one trade.
Look at that. There we go. We got a nice little retrace. We should have a little bit more.
Here, 2 trades already.
Ah, yes. Excellent. We got 170. Okay, let's go back to Forex because I think I want to close that buy trade. Look at that with some nice profits on the retrace. I'm closing it now. Price change. Oh, come on. There was good profits there. Close. Okay, so we invested 1,000 and walked away with 211.38. Look, we didn't.
It's very good.
Huh? No, it's very good. Okay, but what we're going to aim for is that other Forex trade that we're floating, okay, which is in loss right now. We're going to change that stop loss right now so we don't get stopped out.
That's for sure.
Come here, stop loss. Here we go. Oh, I think we have a question here. Hold on a second. Oh, maybe not. Hi.
Hi, Jack.
Oh, it's from Ian here.
Yeah.
Hi, Ian. Okay, so we do know that the Q&A does work. You guys are welcome to ask questions. Because I think right now we're just going to ride out the time here.
Let's see what's going on with the 1-minute trades.
Oh, okay. Hold on one second. I still want to change that stop loss. No, I don't think it's necessary now. I think we've gone through the retrace. Let's take a look at the chart real quick. And we'll go back to those 1-minute trades and see how we did. Yeah, it's going to stay strong for the rest of the day, I think. Let's look at our trades over here. Okay, let's go. Oh, I love that. Forex binary,
Yeah,
Forex binary.
The combination is
awesome.
awesome, yeah.
Okay, so look at this. Here's our trades from today. Okay, we've lost the first one we won, the second one we won, the third one we won. We lost one. Yeah, 75%.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, we have 2 more going here. The expiry is a little bit longer. These were our up and downs. Okay, it looks like we'll definitely win one. I think we're going to win the up, which actually hedged the down.
Yeah, hedged the down.
Okay, so we came out on top there.
2 minutes to go. That's
2 minutes to go. Listen, guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. I think we accomplished a lot here. I know that we made a lot of money. I hope you guys did too.
That's for sure.
And we hope you enjoyed our webinar. Please let me or Ihab here, Big Mac, as we like to call him here on the trade floor, or any of your account managers know if you enjoyed the webinar, if you'd like to see more of them, because I think we really enjoyed doing this, and we'd like to do it some more.
So much, and the profits were so good. You're going to have a beer now.
Absolutely. You're buying.
I'm buying, okay. On me.
Excellent. Guys, everybody have a great weekend, and happy NFP Day.
Goodbye.